a particle that contains 8 protons, 9 neutrons, and 7 electrons could be written as. Now, this is under the fundamental particles of what? The three fundamental particles of atom. Atom is made up of what? Three fundamental particles, which are proton, neutron, and the electron. So I talk about the structure of the atom. So you must understand what we call the mass number, the neutron number, the electron number, and the what atomic number. So I've done a complete video where I explain everything in details. I will leave the link to those videos at the description below. You have to go check out those videos where I explain in details. But in this video here, for you to answer this question here, you need to take note of some key concepts. That we call mass number, which is known as well A. That we call proton number, you know Z. We have we call neutron number. We got N. That we call electron number. Now it does not have any symbol. So mass number is the summation of what? The proton number and the neutron number. So mass number, which is what? A is what? Proton plus what? Neutron. I get proton plus what? Neutron number is the what? Mass number. And sometimes it is called the nucleus number. An atom contains two main parts, the shell and the nucleus. The shell is what accommodates the electron or holds the electron. Do you get? Then we have what we call the nucleus. The nucleus contains the proton and what? The neutron. You get? So the electron is negatively charged particle. The proton is what? Positively what? Charged particle. While the neutron is neutral. You get? So if they may ask in your exam, what is atom neutral? Now, atom is neutral because the proton number and the electron number are equal. In a neutral atom, proton number and electron numbers are equal. Do you get? So if in a neutral atom, if a proton number is 5, then my electron number is going to be what? 5. But understand that proton is what is positively charged particle, while electron is what? Negatively what? Charged particle. So plus 5 and minus 5 will give you what? 0. So that what make what? The atom to be neutral. So whenever an element or an atom is neutral, it means that proton number and the electron numbers are what? Are equal. Another thing you want to know is that proton number is also the same thing as what? The atomic number. Atomic what? Number. So if my proton number is 6, then my atomic number is going to be what? 6. Atomic number is what? Is the numbers of proton. Numbers of proton in the what? Atom is known as what? Atomic what? Number. That is neutron number. So neutron number is just a neutron number, is neutral. One electron number. Electron number, like what I told you, is equal to what? The proton number when the atom is what? Is neutral. So these are stuff you need to pay close attention here. They were mass number, proton number, neutron number, and electron number. So you have to look at what? The atomic symbol and ionic symbol. So we are able to answer this question here. But taking the option here, mass number, which is A, is always equal to what? Proton number plus what? Neutron number. So if you have an element like this X, A and what? Z, and here we have X 2 plus A and what? Z. Then this is called atomic symbol. This is called ionic what? Symbol. You get? Now, the mass number here is what? A. So this one is what? The mass number. This is what? Mass number. Here is what? Proton number. I'll wind this place out. We have what? Proton number or atomic what? number. Atomic what? Number. So I want you to emphasize that A equals what? Z plus what? N. Now A is what? Is the mass number. Mass number equals what? Atomic number or proton number plus what? Neutron number. It's okay. Neutron what? Number. This is called the atomic symbol. You have to check it down because I want to make use of it very well. I want to make use of it. So if I have something like this, Y, you have 26, and you have this, you have 12. So if I have this what if I have this element here with the mass number of what 26 and the atomic number of proton number of 12. So they will ask you what is the mass number, the neutron number, the electron number, and the proton number. So mass number, mass number, mass number, proton number, neutron number, then atomic number. Atomic what number? Here we have atomic number. Here we have electron number. So how do you identify them? So every element must have these two things here. This is what we see. Do you get that? So from here now, I want to get what the mass number, proton number, neutron number, atomic number, what electron number. These are the type of question you regularly what see in Jamb. So my mass number is what 26. I get it. My proton number is what is 12. Also the same as atomic number, right? It's okay. Now neutron number. How do you get neutron number? Remember, mass number, which is A, is equal to what? Z plus what? N, right? A is what is the mass number. Z is what is the atomic number or proton number. The N. So for me to get my N is going to be A minus what? Z, making N sort of formula. So here, you're going to be 26 minus what? 12. It's going to give me 14. Now, my neutron number here is what is 14. Just that my neutron number here is what is 14. Now, remember I told that in a neutral atom, proton number is also equal to what? Electron number, right? So my proton number here is 12. So you're going to go 12. This is how to what? Right? All these things here when an element like this is beginning to you. It's very easy. So we are going to look at what the ionic symbol. That is atom to what with an ion. So if you have something like this, I want to use it to explain to you. This is called cation. This is what an ion. Now, when an atom loses electron, that is when lost electron, that is going to form a positive charge. You're going to form a positive charge. When an atom loses electron, you're going to form a positive charge. You're only going to form a cation. You get so elements that lose electrons or give out electron in the periodic table are metals. Example are the sodium, the potassium, the calcium, the calcium metals like the what, the copper, the zinc, the chromate, and the rest. So another example is what is aluminium. So when elements give out electrons or lose electrons, what happens? They form a positive charge. While gain electron, like they gain electron, they now form what a negative charge, which is called anions. Examples are what non-metals like the what nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, chlorine, fluorine, and the rest. And there are reasons why they gain or lose electrons. So now usually I will go to about when you get to what chemical what bond, chemical bond. So a lot of content still coming. If you are not subscribed to this channel or if you are new here, then you should what consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss out every single thing we are going to do in this video. So how do you on here? So when atoms undergo changes, they only make use of their electron number. Now, the proton number, the neutron number, the mass number all remain the same. It is only the what the the electron number that is being altered or changed. You get? And I want to give you a simple formula here. Ion is always equal to what the proton number minus what electron number. Now this formula is going to be useful as we move on in this video. You do that. So ion, which is called charge, is always equal to proton number minus what electron number. You get? If for example now we don't know the electron number, I will know the ion and what the proton. Here we can say so if you should what make electron number the sort of formula here. Yeah, I'm going to electron number is equal to what proton number minus what ion. Do you get? So you're going to want to take this thing down. I'll copy this one out here. Electron number is equals to proton number minus what ion. So we really want to what make use of this one here. Now, for the sake of this video here, now let's look at the mass number, proton number, neutron number, and the electron number. Of course, my mass number here, mass number here is going to be what 6, right? The same with this guy, mass number goes to what 6. This is that the proton number. We also know what the atomic number is going to be what 12, right? Then neutron number proton number here also going to be what 12. Proton number goes what 12, right? Then neutron number here going to be 26 minus 12. Give me what 14. Say here neutron number is what 14 also. So what would I mean by electron number? So electron number. I go to that. So this way we are now going to use this formula here. Remember, electron number is always equal to proton number minus what ion, right? So here we are going to have my proton number is what is 12. It's okay. Now minus my ion here is what is 2 plus 2, right? Plus 2. So we're going to be minus times plus is what is minus. So 12 minus 2 is going to be what? 12 minus 2 is going to give me 10. It means that because of this 2 plus here, my electron number have reduced to what to 10. That it have lost 2 electrons. Do you get that? It have lost 2 electrons. Yeah. If I apply the same thing here, electron number. And for also here, going to be what? Proton number which is what? 12 minus what? 2 because of this 2 minus here, right? So minus and minus is what? Plus. So it's going to be 12 plus 2 going to be what? 14. Right there. It means that it has what gained 2 electrons. So when I see a negative charge, that negative charge means that it gains that amount of what of the electron. You get so when you see minus 2, it means that it has what gained 2 electrons. Do you get that? That what gained 2 electrons. If you see minus 4, it means that it has what gained 4 electrons. Same thing here. If you see plus 2, it means that it has lost 2 electrons. If you see plus 2, it means that it has what lost 3 electrons. If you see plus 4, it means that it has lost 4 electrons. So these are stuff you really want to pay close attention to. So now let's look at this one here. A particle that contains, so I'm going to buy this place. A particle that contains 8 protons, 9 neutrons, and 7 electrons could be written as. Now, you follow me closely. So, proton number here, proton number is equal to what? Proton number here is what? Is 8, right? Then, neutron number here, neutron number, what do we have here? Neutron number here is what? Is 9. Follow me closely. And electron number electron number is, what is electron number? Is what? 7, right? Now, these are the ionic symbol, right? And these are the element is what? Is oxygen, right? So the element is oxygen. Remember, so here we have electron number to be 7. So I want to do this one here. The first one to do, you want to what? Get your mass number and your ion. You get your mass number and your ion. So what's the mass number? Mass number. Remember, mass number is always equal to what? The sum of the proton number and the neutron number. My proton number here is what? Is 8, right? Plus my neutron number is what? Is 9. Give me, so we have 8 plus 9. So you're going to give me what? 17, right? 17. Then this is what my mass number. Let's see the ion. Let's see if it's going to be positive or negative. Remember, ion is equal to what? Proton minus what? Electron, right? So proton, proton minus what? Electron number, right? Now what my proton number? My proton number here is what? Is 8 minus my electron number here is what? Is 7. Going to be what? Plus 1. So remember, the ion can either be positive or what? Negative. So if it's 1, they're going to be plus 1. Then this one is higher than this other one here. So now let's write the what? The ionic symbol, and let's see the answer that is correct here. Then now here was oxygen. Remember, mass number will always be at the top. The atomic number or proton number will always be at the down. So my proton number here, so my mass number here is what? 17, right? Then my proton number is 7. My proton number is what? Sorry, my proton number is what? Is 8. While my ion is what? Is plus 1. You go to be plus. So now let's check the option, the one that is correct. It's the A, 16, 18, neutral, not correct. B is the one is the correct one. So this is the correct one. Yet this is the one is the correct one. So you see ICTs, you need to understand the fundamentals before you can start applying those fundamentals in solving what? Real problem you want to see in Jamb. So this is what the first one. Let's move to the next question. Here we have the second question. So with the knowledge I've given to you, I would like to pause this video, then try and tell me the option. Leave your options at the comment section and respond to that. So it's very important to try, follow what I've done, then you should be able to solve this question. So pause video, leave your option. Is the option A, B, C, or D? I would like to leave the option at the comment section. Let's go. Yeah, in the aluminium ion, look at the aluminium ion. Now they ask you what is the mass number and the electron number. So here we have 27, aluminium 27, and what? And 13. Here we have what? Discharge. Right? Here we have what? Charge. So my mass number, what is my mass number? Mass number here is the up one, right? Which is what? 27, right? From here, you can also get my proton number, the neutron number, right? But they didn't ask of those things here. They only ask for the electron number, right? Remember I told you that ion equals what? Proton minus what? Electron, right? So if you should make electron instead of formula here, electron number is going to be what? Proton minus what? Ion. You get proton what? Minus ion. So my ion here is equal to plus 3. My proton number is equal to what? 13. So how do I get what? My electron. So electron electron number is equals to what? My proton, which is 13 minus plus 3. It's very important you do this so that you understand better. So we are going to be 13 minus 3, we're going to be 10. So my electron number is what? It's 10. You get? Electron number is what? It's 10. It means that it has what? Lost 3 electrons. 10. So you can see how easy it is to get what your proton, neutron, and the electron. And this is how you're going to see there in the exam. You get?